Some exciting news for you. Let me tell you what we're going to be talking about in the next 2, 3, or 4 videos. We're going to be talking about your credit and qualifying for a loan and some of the tricks of the trades, what you can do in order to position yourself. So, are you ready to roll? Today I'm going to talk about improving your credit. Everybody wants to have good credit because the higher FICO score, the lower the interest rate. And over the life alone, 30 years, you want to have as low of an interest rate as possible. So your credit score, along with your overall income and debt, your loan to debt ratio, are big factors in determining whether you'll qualify for a loan and what your loan terms will look like. So they indicate by the National Association of Realtors that only 33% of the buyers that actually apply for a loan qualify. So we want to increase that number. So here we go. First thing you want to do is check for and correct any errors in your credit report. You might want to get a fellow that will clean up your credit. They're usually about $200 or $300, not too much. You have to come and stay on top of them, but sometimes they're able to go through all the paperwork and be a little more efficient than we would. It would take us a little bit longer. Number two, you want to pay down all your credit bills. If possible, you want to pay off the entire balance each month. You don't want to be transferring monies from one credit card to the other. Don't do that. Don't charge your credit cards to the maximum limit. Please, just refrain. Remember, you're buying your biggest investment, which is going to increase your overall personal wealth. So you really want to start being more responsible and keeping those charges to a minimum. You might have to wait 12 months after credit difficulties and then go forward with the loan. So that's number 4. I just want to put that in if it's you really if it's a mess and you've got to clean it up. Number 5, don't order items for the new house when you haven't gotten loan approval. I've had people buy cars and refrigerators and furniture and definitely won't be approved. So don't make any purchases while you're going through loan approval. Number 6, you don't want to open up any new credit cards. Number 7, shop for the right mortgage. You want to make sure that points to the loan and sometimes I hear that some of these banks are now offering some really good rates and benefits. So you might want to even look there as opposed to an independent mortgage officer. And number 8, avoid finance companies. Even if you pay the loan on time, the interest is high and it will probably be considered a sign of poor credit management. Well, that's it in a nutshell for what you can do to improve your credit. What you can do is keep your sticky fingers out of your wallet and quit charging. If you don't have the money, don't buy. Anyway, this is Christine with Realty One Group in Rancho Cucamonga. I'm your local real estate specialist. I'm here to help you in any way, give you some tips. We're going to talk next time about tax benefits of ownership.